My name is Nikhil, and for question 1, the immediate effect is that competition with native species for food and habitat, disruption of predator-prey dynamics, and long-term effects is the decline or extinction of native species, alterations of rivers' ecosystem structure and function, potential overpopulation leading to habitat degradation, some possible economic consequences are loss of revenue and fishing industries reliant on native species, increased cost for ecological restoration and management potential, decline in tourism if ecosystem degrades. Species 1 could be affected because predatory fish may experience a decline in food species resources. Species 2 could be affected because herbivorous fish may face increased competition for plant resources. Species 3 could be affected because aquatic plants could suffer from overgrazing or altered nutrient cycling. For question 2, some immediate containment strategies that you could deploy barriers such as nets or electric barriers or limit the spread, or you can initiate targeted removal such as electrofishing or traps. So modeling or data collection could implement regular surveys to track population growth or spread. Or you could initiate targeted removal such as electrofishing or traps. Some monitoring and data collection could be implement regular strategies to track population growth and spread, or use GPS tracking and tagging to monitor fish movement. A public communication approach could be to notify local communities about the issue and request some help in reporting sightings, or you could educate stakeholders about ecological and economic risks. Some long-term management considerations could be introduce natural predators or sterilize specimens to limit reproduction or restore habitats to support native species recovery. For question 3, to prevent these accidents in the future, we could enforce stricter water regulations and requiring cargo ships to treat water before release. Also, we can increase inspections and monitoring protocols for ships entering sensitive ecosystems. We could enhance international cooperation by standardizing environmental protection laws across trade routes. These actions aim to reduce the risk of accidental species introduction, ensuring the protection of biodiversity, and minimizing ecological disruption. For question 4, some renewable energy is solar-powered monitoring devices or drones, and non-renewable is fossil fuels for transportation and equipment. Some environmental impacts could be fossil fuels increasing greenhouse emissions and pollution. Renewable energy reduces emissions but might be limited by availability or efficiency. Energy efficient alternative could be replace gas-powered equipment with electric vehicles or solar-powered boats. For question 5, managing non-native species is challenging due to their adaptability and rapid reproduction. Balancing ecological recovery with minimizing energy use is essential by incorporating renewable energy and energy efficient practices. We can reduce the environmental footprint of conservation efforts while ensuring long-term sustainability.